Okay, tonight we're going to make shrimp, bay scallops, some snow crabs in a red sauce over spaghetti. And has some nice spices in it. And we start here by taking 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now, this has got a low smoking point, so we can't really cook it very high or very fast, or it's just going to end up smoking and burning. We're going to add half a cup of onion, and there's a little teaspoon of garlic. Now, I want to cook this together, and the garlic's going to just open up and it'll be so flavorful. So we want to cook them until the onions are translucent and soft. Let's take just a couple of minutes. Okay, everything is nice and cooked and fine. So we're going to add 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. Canned is going to be just fine because that's what most of us are going to use. We're going to use just a half, 3 ounces of tomato paste. Really concentrated tomato flavoring in there. Going to add some fresh oregano. Dried oregano, excuse me. Just a hint of salt. A little bit of sugar. White wine. Now, 1/2 of a bay leaf. And it calls for 3/4 of a teaspoon of chili peppers, crushed chili peppers. I'm cutting that in half for my family because we don't like it too spicy. Got to mix this up real nice. Make sure the paste gets incorporated. We're going to bring this up to a boil. And then we're going to let it simmer for an hour. Let it simmer for an hour because all these ingredients need to get fused together, married in here. Oh, can't wait. I just can't wait. Okay, next we have a pot of boiling water, salted water. We're going to take 1/2 pound of spaghetti. Put that in there. And that'll take about 10 minutes. And while that's happening, I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to start and put in my bay scallops. That's a 1/2 pound of bay scallops. A 1/2 pound of shrimp that's been deveined and had its shell taken off. Now, we happen to have some snow crab legs. This is a pound of snow crab legs. They're already cooked, so they just need to be heated up. So I'm going to go right back to my pan here. And put them in the sauce already so they can be just warming up. Here we have some frozen Texas toast garlic bread. I'm gonna bake it at 425 for about 10 minutes. I'll flip it halfway through. Okay, now we can see we got this going. Does not take long. Once the shrimp turned opaque, white, that whitish pink, that means that side's done. Same with the scallops. It takes next to no time for them to cook through the bay scallops. Okay. And you can see that they turned opaque. My shrimp, scallops are done. We're going to take just a little bit of garlic and throw that in at the very last and let it just start to warm up and let off that garlic fragrance. Oh yeah. And up here we have our spaghetti just about ready to boil over. It's almost done. We want to cook it al dente. It's getting there, but I can tell that it's still got still a little too firm. So we're going to take this off our heat. We're going to go back to our sauce with our claws. And mix this up just a little bit. Now we need to get all of our goodies from here over here. There. Give that a couple of minutes. By that time, our spaghetti will be done and we'll be ready to marry the two and put a little Parmesan cheese. And you know what? It's probably time that I checked and flipped that garlic bread that's in the oven. Can't forget about that. Put that back there. Perfect. Couple more minutes there. Couple more minutes here. So, okay, let's start putting it together. Oh yeah. We got our garlic bread. We have our spaghetti that is al dente, and then we have our seafood in this beautiful tomato sauce. So we'll grab a plate. Some spaghetti. I know that everybody wants their crab legs, so we'll just grab those out. Kind of a big one and a small one. Here we go.
I would